Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your holidays. Dear students, today we are going to learn something fun. We are going to learn counting steps while walking. This is a unit walking. Let's revise numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see a fun activity and enjoy. Dear learners, do you know why is counting steps is good for you? Children, when we walk and count together, our body learns to move nicely. Our feet, eyes and brain work together. This helps us to walk safely and carefully. It helps us in our better concentration. We pay attention while walking and this makes our brain strong. Can you focus and count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. It improves our numeracy. When we count steps every day, we become better at numbers. Soon we can count faster and remember numbers easily. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Amazing. It also helps us in our self-control. How? Yes, we walk slowly. We do not run. We wait for our turn. We listen carefully and follow instructions. This makes us calm and good learners. Excellent. We notice things near us. We see our classroom, friends, toys and nature. We become more aware of our surrounding. Amazing students. Allah Hafiz.